Have you ever been scrolling through Amazon and suddenly found a woodworking gadget that promised to make everything easier? Perfect cuts, faster builds, professional results, all with one simple tool. It sounds amazing until you actually buy it. Today, I ordered **10 of Amazon's most popular woodworking gadgets * to find out which ones are genuinely useful and which ones are just clever marketing. Every gadget will face a real workshop test. No sponsorships. No paid reviews. No brand favoritism. Just honest results. By the end of this video, you'll know which gadgets deserve a place in your workshop, and which ones should stay in your Amazon cart forever. And trust me, one of these products had thousands of 5-star reviews, yet completely failed the test. Let's begin. Gadget number 10 corner clamp set. At first glance, these looked incredibly useful. The promise was simple. Hold two boards at a perfect 90-degree angle while you fasten or glue them together. Setup was easy. The concept made sense. But once I started assembling a small project, the problems appeared. The clamps worked well on lighter pieces. But with heavier hardwood, they flexed more than I expected. Would I use them again? For small boxes or picture frames, yes. For furniture? Probably not. Useful, but definitely not revolutionary. Next up was a gadget I'd seen recommended everywhere. Gadget number 9 contour gauge. If you've watched DIY videos, you've probably seen one. Press it against an irregular shape, and it copies the profile instantly. Testing it on pipes, trim, and curved edges was surprisingly satisfying. For flooring or fitting around obstacles, it worked exactly as advertised. The downside? Most woodworkers won't use it very often. It's one of those tools that's fantastic when you actually need it. The rest of the time, it just sits in a drawer. Now things started getting interesting. Because the next gadget claimed it could eliminate measuring mistakes almost entirely. Gadget number 8 center finding ruler. This tool promises to locate the exact center of a board in seconds. No calculations. No guesswork. I tested it across several different board widths. And honestly, it was much faster than using a tape measure. The accuracy was excellent. Would I call it essential? No, but if you frequently build furniture or cabinets, it's a genuine time saver. So far, none of these gadgets had completely blown me away. But none had been total disasters either. That changed with the next product. Gadget number 7 drill depth stop collar. The idea sounds brilliant. Slide the collar onto your drill bit, tighten one small screw, and every hole stops at exactly the same depth. Simple. Except, during testing, the collar slipped. Twice. That meant inconsistent hole depths, and a ruined test piece. Could it work? Yes. If it's installed perfectly. But a tool that's supposed to improve accuracy shouldn't introduce new problems. This was the first gadget I'd hesitate to recommend. And unfortunately, it wasn't the last. Because the next gadget looked incredibly clever in the Amazon photos, but what happened in the workshop was something completely different.